Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a hidden page on the application of my calendar. You will go to settings. On above you can search about apps. On above you can search about my calendar. Then you can click on first step and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache and you can turn off your phone. Then you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.